Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Friday, August the 31st, 2018. And today, in our Tech News Update, we have Microsoft Azure services that Microsoft has been pushing and has actually been detailing how the artificial intelligence based solutions using Azure Cloud can actually detect bank fraud in less than 2 seconds. And of course, there's a full explanation on how to use it to make sure your customers stay safe. This is a host of new services that try to, of course, prevent all sorts of frauds on the internet. Well, some users are kind of a little mad that Apple did this, and others, well, it's kind of self-explanatory. Apple has, of course, a gay pride watch face, but for a reason that is simply the fact that homosexuality is illegal in Russia, the face is actually not available or disappears from your watch when you are in Russia. So, of course, this has certain users saying, well, shouldn't have done that. Others saying, yeah, it's okay. Of course, it will always be a little debate. Microsoft is working with its suppliers in the US and wants to make sure that all of its suppliers will give employees a minimum of 12 weeks of paid parental leave so that they can actually have children without the fear of either losing their jobs or income. And Microsoft is pushing hard, saying that all suppliers in the US will need to comply with this if they want to continue making business with Microsoft. Well, the Cumulative update was released yesterday for Windows 10, April 2018 version. Also, Fall Careers Update and Creators Update. And it fixes, it's a big list of bugs actually that is being fixed in there. So we'll be checking that a little later if you want to know what's inside, what it fixes. I'll be producing a video just for the update. And we now have a name that we already knew, and I've been already calling it that. So Microsoft has officially confirmed that the next version of Windows is going to be called Windows 10 October 2018 update. We pretty much knew that that was the date. We have also a few little inside details that we'll be talking about, and if all goes well, of course. So that also will be a video a little later if you want to learn a little more on the inside scoops of all of this. Qualcomm is working on a standard for wireless audio because it actually is looking into the future, and it thinks that it needs to prepare for a world without headphone jacks on devices, meaning we'll be walking around with wireless earbuds, and basically that needs to be something that has to be good and work well. So of course they are already looking into the future. Firefox next release will be blocking ad trackers by default. It says that these are a privacy concern and that it will not actually allow any scripts of cross-web site trackers, that it wants to make sure that they don't sneak into your personal life. Net neutrality in California is a little closer to being something available and that will be enforced. It seems that the California will have the strongest net neutrality rule in the US, and it already passed a vote 58 to 17. It forces the internet service providers to stop throttling the speeds, and it bans paid prioritization of data. And of course, let's hope that other US states will follow. Well, if you're an Office 365 subscriber on the consumer side, which I am, well, you'll be happy to know that the install of Office 365 products will now be available to unlimited devices. Right now, if you have an Office 365 subscription, the devices, there's a maximum of 10 different devices. Well, that limit is going away, starting October 2nd. Well, what does that ring mean? Everybody's wondering, but Apple has announced a September 12th event and will likely involve, of course, new iPhones and some rumors that there will be a lot more than just iPhones. But everybody's just wondering, what does that ring mean? There must be some signification behind it. A study finds that 1 out of 5 employees actually share their email password with coworkers. And of course, that study does say that it's a major security issue, and that, you don't know what can happen. And, the trust between humans is sometimes something that can really backfire on you. So the results, of course, account for the possibility of, breached access and all sorts of problems. So, you shouldn't do that. And this was the Tech News Update for Friday, August the 31st, 2018. You enjoy our videos? Please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.